Enzymes speed up biochemical reactions without being used up. They are mostly proteins with highly specific functions. Enzymes lower activation energy for faster reactions. Each enzyme works on a specific substrate. Enzyme shape determines its activity. Enzymes need optimal pH for best performance. Temperature changes can affect enzyme speed. High heat can denature enzymes permanently. Enzymes work in both anabolic and catabolic reactions. Life processes depend heavily on enzyme action.
Enzymes are not consumed during reactions. They work rapidly compared to uncatalyzed reactions. Small amounts of enzymes can catalyze many molecules. Most enzymes end with the suffix -ase. Enzyme reactions are reversible in many cases. Enzymes can be denatured by extreme conditions. Each enzyme has a specific active site shape. Cofactors can enhance enzyme action. Heavy metals can inhibit enzyme activity. Genetic mutations can alter enzyme structure.
Active site is the enzyme's functional region. Only specific substrates fit into the active site. Lock and key model explains exact fit. Induced fit model shows enzyme adjusting shape. Enzyme-Substrate Complex allows reaction to occur. Active site shape is sensitive to pH changes. Any structural change affects binding ability. Substrate concentration affects activity rate. Competitive inhibitors block the active site. Allosteric inhibitors change enzyme shape.
Temperature increases reaction rate to a limit. Extreme heat breaks enzyme structure. Each enzyme has an optimal pH for activity. pH imbalance slows reaction efficiency. More substrate increases reaction speed initially. Enzyme concentration directly affects rate. Inhibitors slow or stop enzyme reactions. Activators enhance enzyme performance. Ionic strength can alter enzyme function. Environmental conditions regulate enzyme roles. Oxidor reductases handle oxidation reduction reactions. Transferases move functional groups between molecules. Hydrolyses break bonds using water. Liases add or remove groups without hydrolysis. Isomerases rearrange molecules internally. Ligases join molecules using ATP energy. Enzyme classes help identify functional roles. Each enzyme has an EC number for classification. Classification supports biochemical research. Naming reflects the reaction an enzyme performs. Cofactors are non-protein helpers for enzymes. Metal ions often act as essential enzyme cofactors. Coenzymes are organic molecules aiding catalysis. Vitamins commonly serve as coenzyme precursors. Some enzymes need multiple cofactors to function. Cofactors help bind substrate more effectively. Lack of coenzymes can stop metabolic pathways. Cofactors stabilize enzyme structure during action. ATP often works as a coenzyme in energy transfer. Cofactors expand enzyme capabilities. Competitive inhibitors resemble substrates. They block active sites temporarily. Non-competitive inhibitors bind elsewhere. Allosteric inhibition changes enzyme shape. Poisons often act as permanent inhibitors. Reversible inhibitors detach after some time. Enzyme inhibition regulates metabolic pathways. Feedback inhibition maintains homeostasis. Medicines use controlled enzyme inhibition. Enzyme blockers help treat many diseases.
Enzymes help digest food in living organisms. DNA polymerase is essential for DNA replication. Proteases help break down proteins in digestion. Amylases convert starch into sugars. Lipases break fats into fatty acids. Enzymes are used in detergents for stain removal. Breweries use enzymes for fermentation steps. Food industries use enzymes for cheese making. Enzymes help in textile and leather processing. Biotechnology relies heavily on enzyme reactions.